If you're looking into getting into fishing, check out this kit here with 2 poles and 2 reels, so you and someone else or a family member or whatever can go out fishing. Great quality. We'll get into that in a second. It does come with the nylon, the fishing string, the fishing line. So you have one for each one, and also comes with a bunch of hooks and lures and things that you can put on the end to catch. So you're ready to go right off the bat. So you could take this thing off. You'll definitely put your line in first. Put your line in and around, and then you're gonna go through there, go out the top, put your hook on there, and it's telescopic. So this thing is gonna go out very far and very strong. So you're gonna pull it all the way to the end to make it nice and keep those loops facing the same way is key. But look at how long that is. So you're gonna get your line on there, lock it, and then you can do your old cast. Then you have this part to cast away. So you're gonna bring it in, reel it in. Oh, I got a big one. All right, settle down, right? It actually looks like a lot of fun. This is a great kit, great quality, and if you want to go catch some fish by the old creek, down by the river, or at the river as well, or the lake, or wherever you want to fish. This is a good kit. Comes in this bag as well, so you can keep it all stored nice and tidy. Also, just easy in your garage, so it's big fishing poles everywhere. Just keep it all in one spot. Great quality, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.